ko TeRuki Dunn tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei no te whawhanota, no te okianga nui a kupe, i te taha o tōku pāpā, i te taha o tōku māma, no te tairāwhiti, no Waituhi. I am a current student at Whai Mātarau, the University of Auckland, studying psychology and exercise sciences. Why I wanted to do psychology and why I thought that would add to my journey in medicine is that I really believe that the community or the workforce, the health workforce, should be a representation of the community, and that's our whānau and our Māori and Pacifica. And so for me, that motivation has been what's driving me to push to be a māngai for our people, for my family. Yeah, I think Hauora Melodies has very strong foundations. I really love that this kaupapa is based on through the medium of waiata, especially when waiata is a part of our DNA and who we are as Māori people. And so using that medium and being able to heal our people and give koha through these waiata, I think is amazing, and I think in the future is going to be quite a big thing.